If you've been in Cosmos DeFi for any amount of time, then you probably know the KAVA ecosystem is one of the OG DeFi platforms within the Cosmos and one of the first EVM compatible DeFi blockchains that allows people to bring their Ethereum assets over into the Cosmos to trade. And on their platform, you can do all kinds of great things to earn yield on your tokens, like staking, liquid staking, lending, minting, swapping. And the KAVA ecosystem is also the native on-ramp for Tether. So if you have swapped USDT anywhere on any DeFi protocol within the Cosmos, that Tether made its way in using KAVA. And staking your KAVA tokens is a great way to help keep the network secure and earn a little yield on your portfolio. So today we are going to show you how to stake your KAVA tokens using the Keplr Wallet browser extension. We are Atlas Staking, a KAVA validator and one of the earliest KAVA validators. And what you're looking at right here is our validator page on MintScan, the block explorer. You can learn more about us also by heading over to our website, which is atlas-staking.com. And this tutorial is also available on our blog if you would rather read through it and look at screenshots instead of this video. And we'll leave a link to that blog post down below. If you haven't yet downloaded the Keplr Wallet browser extension, be sure to do so by heading to their official website, which is keplr.app. And you'll see right there on the main page, you can click Get Keplr. And that way you can click over to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store from their official website. And you can avoid getting scammed because scammers can get their fake wallets into the app stores. And if you get your wallet drained, you will not get reimbursed by Google or Apple. So it's a really good habit for all financial apps and especially crypto wallets. Always navigate to the project's official website and then over to the App Store from their official website. It's just good digital hygiene. All right, so let's get going. Open up your browser and up in the toolbar, click that little K. And when the wallet window pops up, enter your password and then click the button that says Unlock. The wallet is much easier to manage in full screen view. So on the next little wallet window, click the button that says Manage Portfolio in Keplr Dashboard, and it will open up a new tab in your browser. There is a menu on the left-hand side of your screen, and you can either type KAVA in the search box where it says Search Chains, or you can click the button that says Chains to scroll through the list of all the ecosystems that Keplr is connected to. And on this page again, you can either type KAVA in the search box or scroll down the list of chains until you see KAVA and then click on the logo and the name KAVA. On the next screen, click the button that says Stake. The validator selection box opens up, and we're going to take a quick moment to just talk about huge validator nodes and then being bad for network security. We always encourage everyone on all blockchain ecosystems to stake in the lower half of the active set, and that helps to divvy up the voting power so you don't get few entities dominating the voting power and dominating the blockchain. And wallet providers do a disservice by displaying the largest validators first and the smallest validators on the bottom. And so stakers often feel like, oh, wow, these huge validators must be the safest bet. And so they stake with them, and the biggest validators get even bigger. And it's no safer staking with number 1 than it is staking with number 50. The KAVA validators are professionals. So you can type Atlas Staking in the validator search box or scroll down the list to find us. Then click on our name and logo. And on the next screen that pops up, click the button that says Stake. Enter the number of KAVA tokens that you would like to stake, and then click that button at the bottom there that says Stake. A confirmation pops up, so go ahead and verify the details, and then click Approve. Within a second or two, the transaction goes through and you did it. Your KAVA is now staked, and you'll be taken back to your KAVA position page where you will see your staking amount. You'll see that your available balance has decreased by the number of tokens that you've staked, and you'll see that Atlas Staking is your chosen validator at the bottom of the screen there. So thank you so much for staking with us. Depending on your country of residence, you'll owe income taxes on your staking rewards. You certainly will if you're in the US. But even if you don't owe taxes on your rewards, it's good to keep track of everything so that if you have a question down the road, you can find the transaction. And so we examined several crypto tax platforms, and Coinly is by far our favorite. It's easy to use. They're adding automated sync support for many, many blockchains, and they already support the KAVA blockchain. So you can pop your address in a box and then just click import, and it pulls all of your transactions in from the blockchain. And then when you want to update, all you have to do is click a button that says sync, and it goes out to the blockchain and then pulls in all of the updated transactions. And we have a discount link that we'll leave down below, but what's great about Coinly is that the service is free to use until you decide to generate a report for taxes. So you can go ahead and check it out and use it for a while and then decide down the road whether or not it's for you. Well, now you've seen just how simple it is to stake your KAVA tokens using the Keplr Wallet browser extension. If you're watching this video on social media and you got something out of it, please click that like or thumbs up button, and that will cue the algorithm to show the video to more people that can help. Certainly subscribe to our channel if you're watching this on YouTube, or follow us on X, and feel free to share this video with anyone you think it might help. Thank you so much.